Ano ba, Kabalen? Welcome to Pampanga.
So for today's vlog, nandito tayo sa another staycation dito sa Pandakaki,
Yes.
Pampanga.
If you notice guys, meron tayong background ng parang tugstugan,
Yes.
DJ. And actually, nandito tayo ulit sa Oliva's Resort and Villas dito sa may Pandakaki, Pampanga.
Yes. And now meron silang mga mini cabins
cabins.
for small family or sa mga gusto lang magstay.
Guys, if you wanna know more about this, samahan niyo po kami.
So tara, let's go!
Alright, so ayun nga guys, nagbabalik tayo dito sa The Cabin by Oliva's Resort. And this time, we were invited po to come and check out yung kanilang mga mini cabin. So previously, na-feature natin po yung kanilang pinaka A house, yung kanilang main cabin. Now, yung mga mini cabins natin are good for 4 up until 4. So it actually has cabin A and cabin B. Gagawin natin ngayon guys, tutur ko kayo. But before that, nandito tayo sa kanilang parang pinaka-communal area. And at the same time, this is the swimming pool. Notice the swimming pool, and naka-glass po yan, glass wall. And then, again, this is shared po kung dalawang mag-a-avail dun sa cabin A and cabin B natin. Now, if you're in one group, again, sa inyo po, privately, sa inyo po ito. Okay, so cabin A and cabin B are identical, parehong-pareho po sila. So, let's go to the cabin A para ma-visualize natin what's it like inside this. Alright, so this is it. Again, this is cabin A. We have 2 beds. Probably if you have an infant, pwede rin siyang magkasama. But an adult, it can accommodate up until 4. And this is air conditioned. Now, going into the bathroom. Very classy guys. Tingnan natin yung mga finish ng mga fixtures natin. They are actually medyo sosyalan sila. Ayun. Yan, talagang pinag-effortan to guys. Very classy. So once again, we would like to thank The Cabin by Oliva's Resort. And of course, meron tayong food sampling by District Chef. So last time, again, nung nandito tayo, sila po yung nag-cater ng food natin. Very generous. So available po dito ang food ng the District Chef. If you come in here, don't worry about your food, you can actually order this one. So sa setup na nila. Ayun, so again, this is the cabin B. It's just the same, identical cabin. Regardless po, if you get yung cabin A, just 6,000 pesos. Another 6,000 pesos for this one. If you rent the 2 cabins, 12,000 pesos po yan. Can accommodate 4 to 6 yung each. So maximum of 10. Ayan. Dito po sa dalawang cabins na to. There you go. That was it. Thank you so much, Oliva's Resort and Villas, for inviting us for the second time. And now, guys, sa mga small families, small gatherings, very intimate, you know, getaway, meron na po silang mini cabins A and B that are available for you.
The same time, kung gusto nyo naman kumain or magpa-deliver dito, District Chef is available. And at the same time, once na nag-stay kayo dito, free yung breakfast nyo.
Let me also mention guys, if you're having an event, no, lalong-lalo yung mga magki-Christmas party, corporate events, rave parties, luau, you name it, so you can actually convert the jungle, yung napakatahimik ng jungle, into a rave party.
Yes.
Bro.
Party talaga.
Party talaga. So yun guys, make sure to check them out if you are looking for that kind of place for your event.
Yeah, so if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and that's it. Thank you for watching More in Pampanga. Until our next discovery.
Peace out.